for the summer? How many people here are finished school? Well, let me be the one to remind you, Lindsay, these will be the best years of your life. Don't take them for granted. Don't you ever forget about it. You're more capable of anything right now in your whole entire life than you ever will be. This next song's about the good old days.